Hey you guys, today I am going to be showing you how to make my flavorful smoked Cajun cabbage. This is the recipe that I learned, so I'm gonna go ahead and teach it to you guys today. Stay tuned. Once you've got all those ingredients added, your mixture should be a deep red hue like shown above. This is where you add your favorite seasonings. These are the ones that I added. So this is the finished product. This is my phenomenal smoked Cajun cabbage. And trust me, when my husband comes home, I am going to make him up a plate. I'm gonna watch him say yum and yes ma'am. All right then, hope y'all enjoy. Bye.